Waiver of compound interest. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Myself, Advocate Mahesh Kabra. Today's topic is waiver of compound interest. Scheme for grant of ex-gratia payment of difference between compound interest and simple interest for 6 months to borrowers. Specified loan accounts between 1st March 2020 to 31st August 2020. RBI had in March 2020 announced a moratorium. The move was intended to provide borrowers relief during COVID-19 pandemic. RBI had on June 4, 2020 said lenders will lose rupees 2 lakh crores if interest is waived during the moratorium period. Central Bank also said moratorium on loan repayments could have an impact on financial health of banks. Honorable Supreme Court had on September 3, 2020 instructed banks not to declare accounts as non-performing assets until further orders. Central government on October 2, 2020 told Apex Court that it would waive compound interest on the repayments of loan up to rupees 2 crores, a move that would provide relief. Government of India on October 23, 2020 has announced the scheme for grant of ex-gratia payments of difference between simple interest and compound interest. The period between March 1, 2020 to August 31, 2020. Scheme for grant of ex-gratia payments of difference between compound interest and simple interest. All lending institutions are advised by RBI to be guided by the provisions of the scheme and take necessary actions. RBI has issued notification to that effect. All lending institutions are advised to be guided by the provision of the scheme and take necessary action within stipulated timeline. Government of India, Ministry of Finance has also issued scheme document, eligibility criteria for ex-gratia payments under the scheme. Borrower in the following segment or classes of loans who have loan accounts having sanction limit and outstanding amount of not exceeding rupees 2 crore shall be eligible under the scheme. MSME scheme, education loans, housing loans, consumer durable loans, credit card dues, automobile loans, personal loan to professionals, consumption loans. The aforesaid eligibility shall subject to following conditions. Account should be standard as on 29 February 2020. Ex-gratia payments under this scheme shall be admissible irrespective of whether borrower in subclass 1 had fully availed or partially availed or not availed the moratorium. Hearing on loan moratorium updates. Honorable Supreme Court heard a batch of petitions seeking interest waiver during the loan moratorium period. During the said hearing, it disposes petitions where petitions are satisfied with compound interest waiver. Also directed power producers and other petitioners to submit suggestions before Reserve Bank of India. Further, it has asked the Centre and RBI to reply to suggestions. Now, matter is directed to be listed on next week. Thanks for your kind attention. Please subscribe. Please like. Thanks.